Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add overlay on CapCut for PC. So CapCut is a easy software to edit your videos. It will be very helpful. So I will show you today how to add overlay on CapCut. So first of all, you just have to open the CapCut application. So here I have already add clips on my CapCut and I already prepared. There are two overlays that I want to show you how you can add that to your videos. So first I'm going to add this overlay right here. So just click on add track and here drag the overlay video at the top of the first video like this, and after that you can see the video here is covered with the overlay. So what you need to do is go to blend, this one's right here, and then adjust the opacity of the overlay video. So just swipe it to the left like this, and then the overlay will looks like this, and when you play it, it will become like this. So this is the first example on how you can add the overlay video. And next I'm going to add a green screen overlay like this. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'm not going to delete this, but I'm going to add this one right here and put it at the top of this video, these two videos. So what you need to do is get rid of this green screen here. So what you need to do is click on the video and then go to cut out at the video, and then here click on this chroma key and click on this color picker. Now you just have to drag that the color picker to the green screen, and after that just adjust the strength so it will become like this. And you can also adjust the shadow so the green screen video will now look like this. You can also adjust the position, or you can also resize it like this. I'm going to put it in here for example, and here it is, the final result. So that's it for this video. That's how you can add overlay on CapCut for PC. So it's really easy. So I hope this video was helpful. So if you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.